on your hand. You don't want any distractions, but that's certainly a lot better. And again, one of the main courses. We've seen some big PBs so far.
So here we go in lane number 1, Brianna Williams.
Yeah, youngest ever Olympic medalist for Jamaica. In the 4x1, got gold in Tokyo, the double world junior champion back in 2018.
Lane 2, Sasha Lee Forbes representing Sprint Tech.
Yeah, Sasha Lee Forbes, a big star for Sprint Tech, trains with Maurice Wilson, has done 10.96 rather, 11.03 in the heats. She's ready for a big final.
Lane 3, a massive personal best in the semi-final, Tia Clayton from MVP Track Club.
Yeah, she is stupendous, 10.86. No 19-year-old in Jamaica's history has gone faster, and she shows up in big form.
With her sister, her twin sister, cheering her on from the sidelines.
In lane 4, one of the big guns in world athletics, Shericka Jackson.
10.65. She's the third fastest Jamaican woman in history. She's the defending champion and has gotten the silver medal last year in Budapest. Shericka Jackson, the superstar, ready to defend her national championships.
Yeah, Kemba Nelson.
Lane 5, Kemba Nelson, represented Elite.
Yeah, 10.88. And so much has been said about her and her form, but she has shown up here and made the national championship final. Once again, she will run from lane number 5.
In lane number 6, I'll just say Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
Born on the 27th day of December, 1986. That makes her all of 37 years old. She'll be 38 years old this December, 2 days after Christmas. She has won 3 Olympic Games, 10 World Championships, 4 Olympic silver medals, 5 times Diamond League final winner, the greatest of all times at 100 meters.
In lane 7, also from MVP Track, Natasha Morrison.
No, Natasha, there's no party without her. She always finds herself in the mix. She World Championship finalist back in 2015.
And running out the field from Nike, Alana Reid.
She trains with Shakira Richardson and the top 3 girls who finished 1, 2, 3 at the U.S. Trials this year. She is Jamaica's national junior record holder at 10.92. This is spectacular. A spectacular field that Jamaica delivers. The fastest Jamaican this year, though, 10.86. Tia Clayton, focused, standing beside her training partner, Shericka Jackson.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce on screen, the storied competitor.
On your marks.
Woman that has given hope to so many with her resilience and her dedication. She lines up one more time with a fantastic feel to her left and to her right.
Brace yourselves for this now. Can't get any better. If it gets any better, then only a fit Elaine Thompson-Herah would have been added to this classy lineup. The men's 100-meter final. Great anticipation around the National Stadium.
Set.
And across the globe. Set. Bang, where they go. Kemba Nelson, Fraser-Pryce got an excellent start. Tia Clayton is running the race of her life. Shericka Jackson turns on the afterburners now. Spectacular performance. 10.79, the flash time. Shericka Jackson, big performance on the big occasion. Sends an ominous message from Kingston to Paris. Awesome performance by Shericka Jackson, the World Championship silver medalist, reigning supreme. We wait for the official time. She kicked into top gear late and came home in 10.84 seconds. Tia Clayton ran the race of her life once again. 10.90 per second. She will be on the plane to Paris. Wow, what an outcome. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the veteran, takes third. 10.94 seconds. Oh, wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you wanted to know, if you wanted to remember when the official changing of the guard took place in sprinting, it happened in 2024. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce makes it to her 5th Olympic Games, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020, 21, and now 2024.
The recent 100-meter final at the Jamaican National Championships delivered an electrifying spectacle, with Shericka Jackson claiming victory in a fiercely contested showdown. Her winning mark of 10.84 seconds not only secured her the national title, but also sent a strong signal to her global rivals. The event featured a star-studded field, each athlete carrying distinct strengths and expectations. In Lane 1, Brianna Williams, Jamaica's youngest Olympic medalist, brought her youthful energy. Meanwhile, Tia Clayton, who had clocked a personal best in the semifinals, posed a strong challenge from Lane 3. Occupying Lane 4, Shericka Jackson was the athlete under the spotlight. As the third fastest Jamaican woman in history and the reigning champion, anticipation surrounding her performance was immense. She faced experienced opposition, including Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce in Lane 6, whose wealth of championship pedigree made her a formidable contender. At the gun, Kimber Nelson and Fraser-Pryce exploded out of the blocks with impressive starts. However, Jackson, renowned for her powerful late acceleration, surged ahead with precision and control in the closing meters. She secured victory in 10.84 seconds, reinforcing her reputation as one of the premier sprinters in the world. Tia Clayton impressed with a 10.90-second finish, securing second place and a ticket to Paris, while Fraser-Pryce clinched third in 10.94 seconds, adding another Olympic qualification to her storied career. This race marked a pivotal moment in Jamaican sprinting, signaling what many perceive as a changing of the guard. While Fraser-Pryce's remarkable longevity continues to inspire, Jackson's dominance highlights the emergence of a new sprinting era in Jamaica. Broadcasters emphasized the challenges that plagued many competitors throughout the season, including injuries that affected their form. Nevertheless, the championship showcased the resilience and determination of the athletes. Jackson's triumph was not just about winning, but symbolized the ongoing evolution of Jamaican sprinting. Her performance serves as a beacon of hope, affirming that the nation's track and field legacy remains strong and promising. As the season winds down, fans are encouraged to cherish these thrilling moments and eagerly anticipate the next chapter. The unwavering support of the athletics community remains vital as athletes like Jackson gear up for major international showdowns, including the Olympic Games. In summary, Shericka Jackson's triumph at the Jamaican Championships is a landmark achievement in her career and the nation's sprinting history. It is a performance destined to be remembered, setting the stage for her next global challenges.